Welcome to day 34. So last Thursday we started talking about shapes and we learned about all kind of shapes. So today we're going to dig in a little deeper with some more shapes. I'm going to give you some more information and then we're going to talk about shapes the next 3 days. But before we get into our lesson, let's first get to the date. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2020, and we are on day 34. Now, let's watch this short video.
How are all these shapes alike? They all have 4 sides and 4 vertices. They are all closed shapes. How are they different? They are different colors and sizes. They are in different positions. Rectangles are 2-dimensional closed shapes that have 4 vertices and 4 sides that are joined to make square corners. These shapes are rectangles. A square is a special rectangle because all 4 sides are equal in length. Which of these shapes are squares? The shapes are different colors, sizes, and in different positions, but they are all still rectangles. Shapes are not defined by color, overall size, or position.
2D shapes. Solve and share. So it tells how the shapes are alike and how they are different in your math journal. So before we do this, let's actually go over some of the shapes. So we have a triangle. A triangle has what? 3 equal sides. Next, we have a square. A square have what? 4 equal sides. Next, we have a rhombus. So notice, a rhombus look like a what? A diamond. But it also have what? 4 equal sides. But the key word is it looked like a diamond. Next, we have a trapezoid. So notice a trapezoid has 4 sides, but it only has what? 2 equal sides, okay? So that's one thing that you can realize about a trapezoid, okay? And the way that you can know a trapezoid differently from a square is a square has 4 equal sides. A trapezoid has what? Only 2 equal sides. And yes, you can say a rectangle, but a rectangle have 2 long sides and 2 short sides, okay? And so this would be a rectangle, okay? So look, 2 long sides, 2 short sides, okay? So now that we got those shapes out the way, let's look more into our lesson. So it tells how the shapes are alike and how they are different in your math journal. Now we just watched a video about how are shapes alike and how are they different. So I was like, oh, I can go back and look at the video and see what was it about. So I'm gonna write some things about how they like. So I know in order for it to be a 2D shape, I'm looking. So alike, and let's use a different color. We're gonna say all shapes are closed. Right? Now, I gave you one. I want you to come up with one more, okay? So I gave you one thing, how they're like, that all shapes are closed, okay? And if you look really close, all the shapes have something in common. And I'll give you a hint. It's something with the size, okay? All right. So, how are they different? How are they different? So one thing I noticed, they're all different colors, okay? They are all different colors. Now, once again, I gave you one that was different, and you're gonna come up with one more, okay? So you come up one more that's how they are alike, and one more how they're different. Next, so now I drew a line because this shape belonged to this problem, okay? So it said Tanya saw this shape. Tanya says this shape is not a square. Do you agree? Explain. So I'm looking, I mean, it seems like all sides are equal. And the square does have 4 equal sides, right? So I'm gonna write what I believe, but I want you, if you agree with me, you can write something similar to me. But if you disagree, I want to know why you disagree, okay? So I'm gonna say, so it said Tanya said that this shape is not a square. Do you agree? Okay? I'm gonna say no, I don't agree because this shape is a square because it have 4 equal sides. Okay? It have 4 equal sides. I mean, we can count them, okay? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Next, it says, I have 6 angles and 6 sides. I am a closed figure. Cross out the shapes or shapes I cannot be. So once again, I have 6 angles and 6 sides. I am a closed figure. Cross out the shape or shapes I cannot be. So I give you a hint. We know that 2D shapes have to be what? Closed. So we know it cannot be that one or that one. So I have to be between one of these two. But the key word is I have 6 sides, okay? Next, so you're going to finish this problem, okay? Next, it said, Jake says both of these shapes are hexagons because they are closed, have 6 straight sides, and are red. Do you agree? Explain. So listen now. They are saying that both of these shapes are hexagon because they are closed figures, they have 6 straight sides, and are red. Does hexagons all have to be red? That's a hint. That's a hint. So they're going to do this question, and then you're going to do day 34 always true activity. Okay? So what I'm going to do on the next slide, I'm going to actually show this. I'm going to read it to you so you guys know what to do to the computer, okay? All right? Write 2 things that are always true about each shape on the lines to the right of the shape. Write 2 things that are always true about a hexagon in your math journal or on blank paper. Draw a picture of the hexagon too.